DeWalt Industrial Tools is a subsidiary of Stanley Black Decker Group, world global leader in manufacturing of professional power tools. In the Perugia manufacturing plant, we manufacture tools for cutting wood and demolition hammers. These are our two main product families. Today, the Perugia factory has 250 employees. The building is located in an area of about 14,000 square meters, of which 9,000 are dedicated to production. Over the last 10 years, due to climate change and the increase in latent heat, in the summer we've reached temperatures higher than 35 degrees, which has resulted in some very difficult working conditions. The company's goal was to re-establish a comfortable indoor climate, achieving a lowering of temperature and ensuring proper ventilation with the correct number of air changes and outside air. The company has always been committed to eco-friendly operations with a low environmental impact, so the research also had to meet these requirements.
Considering that there are no other such cost-effective and efficient solutions for cooling vast buildings such as big R production sites, we learned about Italkero through a design studio. They confirmed the advantages of their cooling equipment, as well as the efficiency of the evaporative cooling system itself. In total, we installed 44 units, which each have a capacity of 10,000 cubic meters per hour. These were mainly installed on the roof with vertical supply ductwork, and some were mounted off the external walls with horizontal ducts. The installation was finalized in 3 phases from 2019 to 2021. Our goals were fully met with great satisfaction of both employees and management. Not only have we improved working conditions by lowering temperatures and increasing indoor air quality, but we also met the energy efficiency and sustainability objectives we had set originally. In the summer, we can maintain the indoor temperature in the production plant at a constant 27 degrees centigrade.
From our first contact with Italkero and site surveys by the contractor that performed the installation, they always showed reliability and professionalism. I definitely recommend them.
We are considering the installation of more cooling units in the remaining 4,000 square meters of our industrial plant, which would provide us with total coverage. At the same time, we are also thinking of installing 2 indirect evaporative cooling units in our canteen.